The future of IT is here, and you can be a part of it. Join over 2,000 students already mastering the skills to become a top-tier IT system engineer and cloud system administrator, one of the most in-demand careers in tech. Whether you're starting fresh or leveling up your career, this top-rated Udemy course provides everything you need. Master Windows and System Administration. Deploy and manage cloud infrastructures. Learn Active Directory, Group Policy, DNS, Azure Active Directory. Learn Windows Server Administration, WSUS, Microsoft Intune, MDM, Windows Server Security. Manage applications using Microsoft Intune. Introduction to Cloud Computing. Overview of Cloud Computing Models, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. Deploy and manage cloud infrastructures. Learn virtualization, networking, and security best practices. Gain hands-on experience with real-world projects. No prior experience? No problem. Our step-by-step approach ensures you'll be job-ready from day one. It's time to take charge of your future. Click the link below and register today. Become a system engineer and cloud expert. Let's build your IT career together.